Good morning, students. As you know, beta, that we will discussed about salt. As I told you that we discussed about 6 salt: baking soda, common salt, caustic soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, and plaster of Paris. In our last video, we discussed about 2 salts. The first is baking soda, and the second is common salt. And in our today's video, we will discuss about caustic soda and washing soda. So first is caustic soda. What is the IUPAC name of caustic soda? IUPAC name of caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. Its chemical formula is NaOH and its common name is caustic soda. Now what is the method of preparation of caustic soda? I told you about neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction, we react NaOH and HCl and it forms salt and water, means NaCl or H2O. The reverse of neutralization reaction means when you add water in salt, it forms NaOH and HCl. So this is the method of formation of caustic soda. The second method is by Kastner-Kellner shell. In this method, we use sodium and mercury and react with water. Then it forms caustic soda, water, and mercury is released, which is used again in the same process. Then its properties. It is highly soluble in water. It is stable towards heat. And it is also soluble in alcohol. It is basic in nature and its pH value is 14, means it is a strong base. Then its uses. It is used in the refining of petroleum and vegetable oils. Refining means in the purification of petroleum and vegetable oils. It is used in the purification of bauxite. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium for the extractions of aluminium. It is used as a cleaning agent. It is used in washing powder for machines, metal sheets, etc. The next is washing soda. IUPAC name of washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Chemical formula: sodium carbonate decahydrate means 10 molecules of water are attached with sodium carbonate. Then its common name is washing soda. Its method of preparation. The method of preparation of baking soda: NaCl, NH3, CO2 plus H2O. Form NaHCO3 means baking soda plus ammonium chloride. So by the heating of baking soda, सेम वही रिएक्शन है हमारे पास NaCl, NH3, CO2, H2O. Form NH4Cl and NaHCO3. When you heat 2 mole of NaHCO3, it form Na2CO3, CO2 and H2O. Then add 10 molecule of water with Na2CO3. It form washing soda, Na2CO3.10H2O. Its properties. It is a white transparent crystalline solid. It is soluble in water. The solution of washing soda in water is alkaline in nature, means washing soda also basic in nature, and it turns red litmus to blue. It has cleaning properties and it is basic in nature. So its pH value is greater than 8. Its pH value is about 11. Its uses, you all know the uses of washing soda. It is used to remove the dirtiness of clothes, or we can say it is used for washing clothes. It is used to remove permanent hardness of water. There are 2 type of hardness of water. The one is temporary hardness and the second is permanent hardness. Hardness का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा कि जो hard water होता है that do not produce lather with the soap. So it is used to remove the hardness of water. और कौन सी hardness? Permanent hardness of water. It is used in the manufacture of glass, soap, paper, and it is used in the manufacture of borax. What is borax? This is the formula of borax: Na2B4O5OH4 H.8H2O. That is borax. कोई भी सोडियम कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड है वो हम Na2CO3 से मीन्स वॉशिंग सोडा से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. रेयरली कुछ एक कंपाउंड ऐसे होते हैं जो हम नहीं ऑब्टेन कर सकते, बट मोस्टली जो सोडियम कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड होंगे वो हम वॉशिंग सोडा से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. सो it is also used for making glass, soap, paper, and for making NaOH, NaHCO3, and a lot of compounds. Thank you.